update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a negative note. Thereafter, for the most part of the day, we saw volatile trading action. For the first half of the trading session, it was trading with a positive bias. Thereafter, it was almost up 70 points for the day. However, it faced resistance at higher levels around 8630 odd levels on the upside, and thereafter the selling pressure intensified from that resistance. And the Nifty ultimately ended the day on a negative note, down 7 points. The market breadth was negative with 584 advances to 888 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, we had Tata Motors, HDFC Bank, Hindustan Unilever, TCS, Infosys, ITC, which were the draggers in Nifty today, while HDFC Limited, Lupin, Bharti, Reliance, Dr. Reddy, Sun Pharma, Bharat Petroleum were some of the stocks which managed to close the day on a positive note. We will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has just not gone anywhere. It is just trading in that range around 85, 50, 85, 40 on the downside, and on the higher side 86, 30. Apart from the intraday volatility that we saw today, the Nifty has just lost around 7 points from yesterday's closing. Now, the fact that it has continued to close in the negative suggests that the bears have the upper hand at this point of time, and thus we continue to maintain the negative stance that we have been following on the Nifty, and we expect lower levels on Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So we continue to maintain a negative stance for a target of 8470 on the downside. Now moving on to the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, we can observe that Nifty opened on a negative note. Thereafter, for the first part of the trading session, it was trading higher. It faced resistance at the 40-hour moving average, which was placed around 86.25, 86.30 odd levels. So around that area, the Nifty faced resistance and it sold off. So that indicates that today's high of around 86.28 to be exact is a crucial level to watch out for, as that would indicate a break of this downward sloping channel in which it has been trading. So on the upside, 86.28 and 86.28 shall act as a crucial resistance. On the downside, 8500 and 8470, which is the swing low, and 8500 is a psychological level. So that shall act as crucial supports on the downside for Nifty. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was among the weakest in today's trading session. It opened gap down, and thereafter it didn't even reach its 40-hour moving average. It faced resistance at the 20-hour moving average itself, and again sold off from there. So that indicates that bulk of the selling pressure, or the most of the selling that is coming in, is being bought in by the Bank Nifty, and we expect the Bank Nifty to continue with selling or downward momentum on the downside in the coming trading sessions. On the Bank Nifty, crucial supports are placed at 18,200 and 18,000. Crucial resistances are placed at 18,550 and 18,700. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Yes, today we saw a bounce after opening on a gap down. However, the Nifty faced resistance at higher levels around 86.30 odd levels on the upside, where the 40-hour moving average was placed, and thereafter sold off once again and closed in the negative. So that indicates that the bears are still in control of the situation, and hence we continue to maintain a negative stance for a target of 8470 on the downside. That's all for the day. Thank you.